The UTRGV College of Sciences gave Gear Up students a close-up look at the different fields of science they could study. It was part of the latest event in this year's HESTEC.
So the students many times know they like science, but they don't know exactly what field of science they like. So we have biology, we have chemistry, we have environmental sciences. They've brought a lot of information for students. They've brought a lot of hands-on kinds of things that our students are going to be able to touch and ask questions about.
We're doing a series of experiments to kind of demonstrate and get kids enthused into chemistry. It's going to explain a lot of things that they see in everyday life, and it should be very interesting for them.
In our table, students should play, they are divided into groups and they play 2 dice probability game.
Over here at my last station, I really enjoyed it because what they did is they got a dry ice. And like I've seen it in videos before, but I never got to like experience it. And they put it into a bowl and they put like water and soap and like you saw this like air bubble because like it traps the carbon dioxide and it looked really cool. I'm like excited to go to all the stations.
I hope that we can produce, a good number of scientists from this group, and to lead the nation in science and innovation.
HESTEC Gear Up Days will continue Thursday at the UTRGV Edinburgh campus.